Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to learn how to create tags for reports in HubSpot so that you can organize your reports better inside your portal. Check it out. Alright, so once we log into HubSpot, we're going to go all the way to the left sidebar, and then we're going to scroll all the way down. Well, we're actually just going to go all the way down to the reports section. We're going to go and click on reports. And then over here, you'll notice that we have a lot of different reports, right? But I want to set some tags so that I can identify which report goes where, right? And or what it entails. So in this case, or who it belongs to, whatever tag I want to establish. So in this case, I'm going to go all the way to the right, and I'm going to go to actions, and then I'm going to manage tags. And here's where I'm going to set some tags. So I'm going to create a quick tag. One's going to be called sales. It's going to be blue. And I'm going to create a new tag called marketing, and then I'm going to change the color to red, and then I'm going to confirm it. And now if I go back to my reports, I can actually refresh, and then I'm going to select, in this case, for example, deal revenue forecast by stages. That's clearly going to have a tag. I'm going to add a tag to make it a sales type of report. And that's pretty much it. And now if I, for example, go all the way down and go to maybe the customer list report, I'm going to add a tag, and then we're going to make it a marketing type of report. And then I'm going to add the tag for that. And then as you can see, we have the tag column. So we can now actually filter by tag. So in this case, within this section, you could go either just marketing or marketing and sales, and you'd be able to see the tags on the corresponding reports here, and then the reports, definitely you'd be able to open them up, and that's pretty much it. So now you can start creating your own tags within the reporting section of HubSpot and apply these tags to your reports for better segmentation and organization of your own reports within the portal. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at, so go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.